In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel not wrapping text. So if your text is running straight off the cell and you cannot see it all at once, follow along and we will fix that now. First, select the cell or cells with the text. Move your mouse over the cell that has the text that refuses to break into a new line. Click once to select a single cell and you will see a bold border appear around it. If you want to change several cells at the same time, click in the first cell, then drag across or down so that all the cells with long text are highlighted together. When several cells are selected, they will all share that same colored border, which means any formatting you apply now will affect all of them at once. Once that is done, click the Home tab. Look along the very top of the Excel window for the row of words that starts with File and usually includes Insert and Page Layout. Home is normally the first main tab after File. Click Home, and the ribbon underneath will switch to show the Home tools. You will know you are on the Home tab when it appears slightly brighter than the others, and you see groups labeled Clipboard, Font, Alignment, and Number in the ribbon. From there, find the Alignment section. On the Home ribbon, look for a group of buttons that control how text sits inside a cell. You will see icons for aligning left, center, and right, and also for vertical alignment, orientation, and indentation. That whole group is the Alignment section. It usually sits near the middle of the Home ribbon. A quick tip here, whenever you want to control how content sits inside a cell, rather than how it looks with color or borders, you will usually end up in this alignment group. Take a moment to confirm you can see it, so you know you are adjusting the right controls. Next up, click Wrap Text. In the Alignment section, look for the Wrap Text button, usually with an icon showing tiny lines bending onto a second row. Click Wrap Text once. When Wrap Text is active, the button stays highlighted, so you can always tell at a glance whether wrapping is turned on for the selected cells. If you misclick and see no change, make sure your long text cells are still selected, then click Wrap Text again. Excel will automatically move the text to multiple lines. Right away, the row height will increase, so the entire contents of each selected cell fits inside its own boundaries. You will now see your long text broken into 2 or more lines within each cell instead of spilling over into the next column. If a column is very narrow, Excel will keep wrapping the text so every character is still visible inside that one cell. With that change, you have fixed text not wrapping in Excel using the Wrap Text feature on the Home tab. If this helped you finally see all your cell content clearly, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more clear Excel fixes like this.